questions. Have you ever heard that it's easier to float in the ocean than in a pond? I wonder why that would be. Let's find out. So today I can't take you to an ocean or a pond, so we're just going to have to make our own at home. These are the supplies you'll need. Some warm water, salt, a measuring spoon, 2 fresh eggs, not hard-boiled or anything, a spoon, and 2 jars of the same size. So we'll start by making our pond, which is fresh water. So for that one, all I need is water. I'm going to pour it up to the 1 cup line. Now for our ocean, you know what's different about an ocean? Salt water. So I'm going to fill it with the same amount of water, but add 3 tablespoons of salt. And then give it a good stir to combine. Now we're going to use our eggs to see what happens. I'm going to place one of my eggs into my fresh water. Did you hear it? Clumped right down to the bottom. Now let's see what happens in my salt water. It's bobbing up to the surface. Why would this be? Well, it's all about buoyancy and density. So density is what happens with the weight compared to the size of an object. So if the object is less dense than the liquid that it's in, it's going to float to the top. But if it's more dense, it's going to sink to the bottom. So we can see with our eggs that the salt water is more dense than the pond clean water, so our egg floats to the top. What do you think would happen? Can I shift this by adding more fresh water to the ocean? Let's see what happens. So you can see by adding fresh water to our salt water, we can make it float in the middle. And if we kept going, it would sink to the bottom too. So now I want you to try this at home and see what happens. And if you're lucky enough to go on a beach vacation at an ocean, see if it's true. Is it easier for you to float in the ocean than in a pond? Try it.